Let me put y'all on game today on why it is so important for you to start your digital product business and how starting your digital product business will actually make you rich. A lot of people have been doing it wrong, and today I want to spill the tea on what you can do and how you can use digital products in order for you to build wealth so that you will never have to work another day in your life if you choose to do so. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Digital products can make you rich, and here's exactly how. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys how to use your passions, gifts, talents, whatever you have knowledge in order for you to start a digital product business. So today, you guys, I wanted to give you guys my input, what has worked for me, and how you can actually do the same thing. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because at the end I'm going to give you guys something free so that you can get started with your digital product business as soon as possible. So you guys, when it comes to selling digital products, if you do not know what a digital product is, a digital product is literally something that you can sell digitally. That can be a PDF file, it can be a audio file, it can be a ebook, it can be a course. Literally, you're taking your knowledge and you're packaging it into a digital file in order for you to make sales. With digital products, it is very beginner friendly, because if you have knowledge, if you have experience, if you are someone who is always helping your family or your friends with a specific thing, you can start helping people all over the world in order for you to make money. Now, digital products is very good to get started with because you create it one time, and the only thing you have to do is consistently market your digital products in order for you to make money. So you can create a product one time, go to sleep, and wake up with consistent sales over and over and over again without having to do any other work besides marketing. So when it comes to the marketing, you guys are already on social media. So marketing should not be something that stops you from making consistent sales, because you're already carrying around $1,000 phone every single day. So the only thing you have to do is have a digital product that's helping someone solve a problem. So today I'm not getting so deep into how to do this business. I want to tell you guys how this business is going to be life changing. If you need to know more about how to operate this business, you can go back and watch other videos, because I have videos that I'm posting every single day teaching you what to do in your digital product business. But today I want you to understand how digital products can make you rich. So a lot of people wonder why they should start a digital product business. And I'm going to tell you guys on today that you should start a digital product business, for one, because it is a low startup cost business. You do not have to spend money in order for you to start a digital product business. You literally can start with $0. You can create your own ebook in Canva, and you can upload it to a platform like PayHip or Gumroad free of charge. So that means that you don't even have to pay in order for you to start this business, versus if you were to start a physical business, you have to have money in order for you to make money. So with digital products, anybody can get started. Each one of us have a gift and a talent that you can use. You have experience, you have knowledge, you have pain that you can turn into purpose, and you can package it into a digital product. So for me, I always tell people, start with something you like. Start with something you can talk about every single day, because if you start with something you can talk about every single day, you can consistently post so that you can begin to make sales. Now, when you have your digital product and you start making money and all of these good things, digital products can make you rich, because you don't have to have money to invest to start this business. And once you start making sales, you guys, you can take that money and you can invest it into other investments to make you more money. So the reason I tell you guys to start with something you love, start with something you like, is because you can show up online every single day and promote your digital products. So once you start making consistent sales from showing up online every single day, now you can invest into other things that you may not have any knowledge in, things that you may not have experience in, and things that's going to allow you to have financial freedom. This is how you're going to build wealth. This is how you are going to stay rich. You take the knowledge that you have, you start with what you have, and you turn that money into more money. So for instance, I have started selling digital products and I make almost at least like $2,000 per month from selling these digital products. I have started investing that money into real estate. So I'm not using that money to go and buy me a Chanel bag. I'm not using that money to go on these luxury vacations. I'm not using that money to go and buy me a Mercedes Benz or anything right now. Yes, I could if I wanted to, but no, that is not how getting financial freedom works. If you want to play with the big dogs, if you want to become a big dog, what you need to do is take that money and spend it on things that's going to make you more money. So I've been able to purchase 3 different properties, and I'm building a mobile home park on one of those properties. So I have already purchased 2 mobile homes, and you guys, this is going to be evergreen money. This is going to be passive income, because each month on the 1st, I will collect rent. So then it goes a step further. That business itself will accumulate because I'm able to take that money from those 2 trailers that I bought from having digital products, from having a digital product business. I'm taking that money from those 2 trailers and I'm going to purchase more trailers. So I was able to use my digital product money to purchase these mobile homes that's going to then accumulate more money, because I'm going to allow that money to continue to build up as I continue to collect rent. And guess what? Now I have 2 businesses that's making me money while I sleep. This, you guys, is how you get rich. You don't get rich by you taking the money that you're making from digital products and going to go look luxury, going to go on vacation, going to go do things that you see people doing every single day. If you want to be rich, if you want to be wealthy, you do what you have to do right now with the resources that you have, so that then after you build these businesses, you're able to live every single day rich. You're able to wake up every single day and go shopping. You're able to wake up every single day and choose to go on vacation if that's what you choose to do. So it is a process, you guys. You have to be willing to stay down in order for you to come up. A lot of people are showing you lifestyle luxury. They're showing you that they're going to go spend their digital product earnings on things that are not bringing them more investments. Yes, they are making more money from it, because when they show you this lifestyle marketing, it makes you want that lifestyle so that you buy into it. That's how lifestyle marketing works. Lifestyle marketing is basically them showing you a life that you desire to have. So then it makes you say, I want that lifestyle too. So you purchase from them. So they're making money off of spending money. But my thing is, what if I make money off of spending money on things that's going to make me more money? We have to get smart. We have to think long term. That's why I tell you guys, when you start your digital product business, you want to start with the end goal in mind. How do you want your life to look 5 years from now? How do you want your life to look 10 years from now? You have to think long term. Don't think about this as something that's going to get you rich very fast and then you don't know what to do with it. If you were to blow your digital product business up right now, what would you do with that money? Even if you have not already started your digital product business, you need to think long-term investments. You need to think of ways that's going to make you more money. So at the end of the day, when these businesses start to accumulate you money, you know where every dollar is going. Digital products is the best way to get started, and it's going to be the quickest way for you to make passive income because you're able to package your knowledge, package your expertise, package whatever you have been through, turn your pain into purpose, and you're able to connect with people just like you all over the world. So not only are you able to start making income monthly, maybe enough income to even quit your job, but you're able to have more freedom. And that's what it's all about, you guys. It's about being able to live a life that you desire to live. So when you see people telling you it's not about being passionate about the business, you just need to start the business and make the money. No, don't allow the money to make you. You know, you need to be in control, because one thing about it is, if you like something, it's a tribe all over the world that is interested in the same topic that you are interested in. So don't ever feel like the niche that you decide to go into will not bring you in sales. It will. You just have to know how to solve that problem for that specific niche that you choose. So whatever you have knowledge in, whatever you are passionate about, whatever you know that you can wake up every single day and start a business in, that's what you need to do. This business is not a business where you have to have $500, $1,000, $10,000 to get started. So I don't feel like it's no excuses to why each of us does not have a business with digital products. You need to start a digital product business. Even if you already have a business, you can still turn whatever business you have into a digital sale. You can still package something to go on the side of your business, and you can begin to make consistent sales, you guys. In 90 days, your life can literally change for the better. So what's stopping you? You know, if you're saying you don't have a digital product to sell, start with PLR products. I always tell you guys, PLR products will literally be the quickest way to get a digital product up and launched. If you need a PLR product, check out my mini course. I literally teach you guys step by step of what to do, how to do it, so that you can get your digital product business up and started in 24 hours or less, so that you can make your first 10K. What can you do with 10K? Like literally, you can take that 10K and you can make an investment into something that's going to bring you more money. The second investment that you make, you can literally start something that you don't have any knowledge in. If you want to start making more money, take that money and invest it into more money, okay? But listen, if you're ready to tap in and you need digital product ideas on what to get started with, you can go down below. I have a freebie for you guys. Go ahead and grab it below. I'm giving you 100 digital product ideas that you can get started with, so you can get your digital product business up and started, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.